So this is how to fix TeraBox error problem or TeraBox message error 443. So if you're facing that problem, this is how to fix it. First of all, you have to go to your phone settings, tap on the settings, then after that tap on apps and notification or apps and preference on your phone. Then after that you tap on app list or apps or see your apps. So let's tap on the see your apps. After that, after tapping on it, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. Then you type in TeraBox. So this is it. Tap on the TeraBox. After that, tap on the first stop. Tap on OK. Tap on notifications. Make sure the notifications are toggled on. It's really important. So you have to turn everything on. After that, go back, check the permissions, make sure every permission is allowed. So as you can see, camera is allowed, contact is also allowed, storage is allowed, which is the much major important thing over here. After that, tap on the storage and cache, clear the cache, tap on storage, then you clear it if it's not still working for you. So tap on OK. So after that, what you have to do next is to check the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure it's really turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. If it's not working, please, after restarting it, go to Google Play Store and make sure you check the update for it. See you in my next one.